Hello everyone, welcome. This is Albena from Bulgarian Mama Is Cooking, and in today's video recipe I'm going to show you how to make easy, fast and delicious cheese pastries with phyllo dough. So put on your aprons and let's get started. First, I'm starting with the cheese filling for the pastries. Here in my stand mixer bowl, I'm combining eggs, labneh, which is kefir cheese, extremely healthy. You can find it in Arabic stores, but if you don't have that, use ricotta, followed by some baking soda and some feta cheese. All that is going to get mixed very well. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can just use a regular one. If you don't have a regular mixer, that can be done by hand, but it's just going to take you a little bit effort and some time. Next step is to prepare my baking tray with a piece of parchment paper and some baking spray on top. So here is what I'm gonna do for the phyllo dough layers. In order to get the shape that I want to, I need triangles, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them in the middle just like so to get my triangles phyllo dough shape. Now this has to be room temperature because if it's too cold, they're most likely going to start breaking. And here is the cheese filling. As you can see, the consistency is somehow smooth. So I'm going to start and apply a generous amount of that filling all over the phyllo dough layer. I'm using 2 layers. And then at the white side of the triangle layers, I'm going to add some shredded gouda cheese. You can definitely do cheddar, you can do mozzarella, and in matter of fact, half of these are going to be with mozzarella cheese and half of them are going to be with a smoked gouda cheese, which I definitely recommend. Roll the pastry just like so and then put it in the baking tray. And then I'm gonna do the rest with all the phyllo dough layers. Again, I'm applying a generous amount of the filling here. I'm using mozzarella cheese like I already mentioned, rolling the pastry just like so and putting it in the tray. So you should definitely have some of the filling left, so grab a brush and smear all the pastries with the rest filling. Don't forget to add just a little tiny bit of butter followed by olive oil, because if you don't use olive oil, the butter is most likely going to burn, so you're going to get a little burned pastries, but if you don't mind that, they're still going to be delicious. These pastries are going in a preheated at 350 oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, but if you like them crispier, then definitely give them 50 minutes and keep an eye. So I baked my pastries for 40 minutes. As you can see, they are crispy, but if you like them crispier, again, bake them for longer, but definitely keep an eye. So as soon as the pastries are out of the oven, cover with foil and let them rest for about 20 to 25 minutes before you serve. I definitely recommend that you try these pastries with some jam. Thank you for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama Is Cooking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like my content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so that you get notifications every time when I upload a new video. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye for now.